We are staying at the Aqua Bamboo Hotel, and this is our room. Nothing luxurious, but it's clean and it served our purpose wonderful. King size bed. Over here is the kitchen, and we had a microwave and a refrigerator and a 2-burner stove. Right here is our bathroom, and yes, all the flowers were here. And then if you go out on our balcony, there's the main drag for here with the buses. 2 blocks down, there's the ocean. It's surprising, we're surrounded by a lot of big, high-rise, well-known hotels, and this little gym here. And this is the pool. For our hotel. It has a hot tub. And did we get in there to swim? No, we were too busy sightseeing. We can swim when we go home. Well, that's what we tell ourselves.